Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for returning for another video with me. So today I have some cleaning motivation for you guys, and as always I hope that it gets you up and going to get some things done around your home. All of the products that I'm using throughout this video will be listed down in that description box, so definitely check there if you are interested. As always, please do not leave this video without giving it a big thumbs up. And before we dive right in, if this is your first time here, then hello, welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. Let's get started, guys.
You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round. 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 I'm standing here in plain sight. Still it doesn't seem like you see me. I hate everything about this night. Doesn't matter what I do can get to you. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with Ollie and the others. You know I really got along with him and your family. Your ex did barely say. Did we do it right?
Alright guys, so clearly my song was on because I was singing my heart out, but I'm just doing a really light dusting in the living room. I normally don't ever have a lot to do in here besides dusting, fluffing the pillows, vacuuming the sofa, and steam mopping the floor at least once a week. So yeah, for the most part, this room does stay tidy, but again, I like to make sure that I am getting the dust bunnies.
Spinning round. Why can't we just be honest? Why can't we just be honest? Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we can make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round. 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 Why can't we just be honest? Why can't we just be honest? It got me spinning round.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, you're making me wholehearted. Together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted.
Into the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and get the countertops cleared off and get everything put away so that I can clean off the countertops as well as wipe down the backsplash. To wipe down the backsplash, I am using one of the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface cleaners. Guys, the fragrance of these lasts for hours and it just makes the entire downstairs smell really nice. So I absolutely love to wipe down the backsplash using one of the Mrs. Meyers sprays. I do not remember the exact one that I'm using in this video, but again, it will be listed down below.
Took it, everything around. I will always remember it, how you got me off the battleground, how you got me off the battleground. Yeah, you took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. You might be the one that truly get me, and I might be the one you really want, and I feel it too. But you don't know what I've been going through. This is when you tell me that you're different. This is when you try to make me fall. Convince me it's true. And that is why you want me like you do. But you didn't even have to try, 'cause you can start a fire without a spark. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright.
Before I started cleaning, I did take the sheets off of our bed as well as Trinity's bed so that I can put fresh linen. Normally Trinity takes care of her own bed, but she's been kind of busy with school and track practice and has been coming home a lot later than normal. So this is just one less thing she has to worry about. So I'm just gonna knock it out for her. I do use Lysol. That is what you guys see me spraying on the sheets as well as the mattress pad. I've been using Lysol for years. I absolutely love the purple can. It just gives your bed that extra freshness. So that is what you guys see me spraying on the bed.
There for me if I'm flying straight into the sun, blinded by the light I'm chasing. That has happened before, and maybe you don't know for sure, but you can start a fire without a spark. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright.
Buy what I want, I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when
So like I mentioned, I did change the sheets on our bed as well as Trinity's. So I just threw those sheets into the wash and got them dried. So I'm just going to get them folded and put away. I am going to end up folding another load of laundry as well. Like I told you guys, I have been keeping up on my laundry. I'm so proud of myself. I have not been letting it pile up because honestly, it's just way more work than what I want it to be when I let it pile up. So really taking advantage and getting a few loads done every few days has been goals for me.
Before you're tender enough, they say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. You know what I call us outside the lines. It's uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. You know what I call us outside the lines. It's uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go.
Alright guys, so I hope that you all enjoyed this video and got some motivation. Again, if so, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. Again, check that description box if you are interested in any of the products that I use throughout this video. If you have not already joined the squad, girl, what are you waiting for? You have made it through 13 minutes of pure motivation. So go ahead, click that subscribe button and come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.
Someone like